Business insurance versus directors and officers versus employer liability versus professional indemnity versus cyber versus business interruption. Which one is better for corporate risk management? Running a business comes with risks, and most owners get this wrong by assuming one insurance policy covers everything. The surprising truth is that directors and officers, employer liability, professional indemnity, cyber, and business interruption insurance each protect very different areas of risk. Directors and officers insurance protects company leaders against claims of wrongful acts, like mismanagement or breach of duty. Without it, personal assets could be at risk if legal action arises from corporate decisions. Employer liability insurance is mandatory in many countries. It covers claims from employees who are injured or fall ill due to workplace conditions, safeguarding both staff and the company from financial strain. Professional indemnity insurance is essential for businesses offering advice or services. If a client alleges negligence or mistakes that cause financial loss, this cover helps pay legal costs and compensation. Cyber insurance is increasingly critical in the digital age. It covers data breaches, hacking, and cyber attacks, protecting against financial loss, reputational damage, and legal consequences. Business interruption insurance helps companies stay afloat if operations are disrupted by unforeseen events like fire, flood, or equipment failure. It covers lost income and ongoing expenses during downtime, keeping the business running. So, which is best for corporate risk management? No single policy covers everything. A layered approach works best. Employer liability and business interruption form the foundation. Directors and officers protect leadership, professional indemnity safeguards service delivery, and cyber insurance secures digital assets. The key takeaway is to evaluate your business type, size, and risk exposure. Combining the right policies ensures comprehensive protection, giving owners confidence to focus on growth while minimizing financial and legal vulnerabilities.